Premiere does a great job with slowing down footage, but sometimes it's just not good enough. I was working on a project where I needed to match the pace of a rather fast-moving object to an animation that I had. Now, doing it in Premiere, it came out almost good enough, but it wasn't quite there. So I began looking for projects that would suit my needs. There's commercial software, but then there's GitHub. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to use this Python project to use machine learning to slow down your footage. Let's get started. So here is the Git repository that we will be using. What you're going to need to do is clone it to your local system by going to clone or download, copying, getting started. We are going to work with toslowmo.mp4. It's a video that I will provide separate. You're going to need the pre-trained model, which is pretty key for this. You're going to go back to the repo, click the Google Drive link, and download anyway. Once you have all that done, you're going to need to create a conda environment. To install the conda environment, you're going to need to download my environment.yaml file. Conda will use that to install the dependencies. The command you'll need to run is this. For reference, I will be using a Windows 10 computer with an NVIDIA GPU. If it does not work, you can use the PyTorch CPU version. Since I already have the environment installed, I'm not going to reinstall it again. You're going to need to activate it though in order to use it. So you run this. Once you have all the dependencies installed and you have the pre-trained model, you are ready to get started. So here I am running Python, the actual file to run, and then I'm specifying the movie as toslowmo.mp4. Now I have it in quotes with a ./ because Python does not like Windows backslashes. I have this optional parameter to specify a different way about interpolating frames, and then here I'm setting the speed to 4. So 4 times slower. When I go ahead and run it, it's going to run the algorithm. Once it's all said and done, you're going to have a video in the folder with the slowed down footage. Taking a look at the video, it'll look like this. As you can see, the final version looks very good. Much better than the Premiere version, which basically didn't work at all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.